AVA uses high-power, short-wavelength blue LED as the detection light source. It is very sensitive to small smoke particles generated during the incipient stage of a fire, at which time the sum is invisible to human eyes. Maximize cost performance for small area, very early warning smoke detection system. Features: alarm sensitivity range 0.00520 m, 4 alarm levels, 7 relay outputs, 3-in-1 control display programmer front panel. RS485 network. Support Modbus RTU Open Protocol. Please do call us to know about products.